Hey everyone, I thought of recording this short video on what we are going to cover in the AI Fundamentals cohort. So this cohort I am running from last year actually, and then I try to cover one cohort every month, and it's a 4 week session that I'm going to cover, and then there will be a lot of things that I'm going to teach in these sessions. Let me open the PPT which I prepared, so I think it will be easier for you guys to understand what I'm talking about. Let me share my screen. Great. I hope you can see my screen as well as you can see me. Great. Okay, so it's an AI fundamentals cohort which I run, and there will be total 4 sessions that I'll be doing. So each week we'll have one session for 90 minutes. It will be a live interacting session with me. I'll be your AI mentor. And before the session, I'll be sharing pre-reading material so that when you guys go through that reading material and come prepared, you are ready to have discussion on that topic. And I also have prepared material which I'm going to cover during the live 90-minute sessions. And in each session, I would be giving some mini projects which I'm expecting you guys to complete before the session, and I'll be taking some hands-on, doing some hands-on exercises for the topic of that week. And once we finish the 4 weeks, we'll be having capstone projects, which I'll be explaining what the project is about, as well as the expectation is you complete in 2 weeks and submit that project. So let me give a brief on about myself. So I'll be your AI mentor. So I have 18 years of experience in the industry, and some of the courses and reading material that I'm going to give to you, I have already taken them. So I'm certified by deeplearning.ai, as well as I have taken Gen AI courses and AI courses on Coursera and Talent Sprint. Since I'm a full-time entrepreneur, I also work with a lot of clients in the US and global um, on AI projects, and largely I know and my team know what kind of applications and AI discussions or projects are happening, so I can guide you during the session where to focus your energy on when it comes to AI. And since I'm a full-time entrepreneur, I'm doing these sessions as a part-time just for getting some good karma. Great. So let's go to, so there'll be total 5 sessions. First four will be more of interactive session, which is the first session will be more on AI overview. The second session will be on prompt engineering. Third will be on AI agents, and the fourth will be on vibe coding tools. And the fifth session will happen after 2 weeks, where I'll be reviewing the capstone projects. In week one, so what we have observed in the past cohorts, some of the directors of USA companies, they have joined and learned about AI fundamentals. Senior managers, tech professionals, startup founders, and consultants have also joined the courses, these sessions. So the first week is about AI overview, where we'll be talking about two hot topics: AI agents and vibe coding. We'll be discussing about the layoffs and what is my perspective of layoffs. And we'll be covering history of AI, how AI is different from machine learning, deep learning, and Gen AI, and how the Gen AI got evolved. We'll be talking about how these large language models work, what are the best LLMs that we can use, some of the LLM terms that we should be aware of. And then I'll be demoing some of everyday AI tools like ChatGPT. As we know, we are just using to chat and get the output, but how can we use it to maximize our productivity? Also, I'll be talking about Google's Notebook LM as well as Perplexity, Gamma, and Sora models. In week two, I'll jump to prompt engineering essentials. It's a basis of everything that we need to be aware of. For vibe coding, we need prompt engineering. For building agents, also we need prompt engineering. And I'll be covering some of the key techniques, principles, as well as structure of AI responses. I'll be talking about some of these parameters. I'll be talking about how do we secure the prompt, how do we reduce hallucinations, how do we do evaluations, and then I'll be doing some hands-on exercises on prompt engineering. Week 3 will be very interesting on AI agents. I'll be talking about what's the difference between LLM, AI agent, as well as agentic AI, and so what are the common building blocks for AI agents, some of the design patterns, as well as I'll be building AI agents, live AI agents during the session using N8N. Then we'll conclude the session with vibe coding tools. I'll talk about why vibe code, some of the tools for tech team, some of the tools for non-tech team, what applications can greatly benefit from vibe coding, what are the best practices, and I'll be doing developing a live app using some of the vibe coding tools. These are some of the projects for Capstone. We have more, but two projects I'll be sharing with you now, which is more using some of the learning we have from the previous sessions on N8N agents as well as vibe coding and prompt engineering. So the expectation is you guys go through the projects and deliver it in 2 weeks. So we have the first project AI powered plant health detection. Then we have AI powered customer review insights. And then we'll have more capstone projects and you are free to choose. So the expectation is you do at least two projects to say that you have completed the AI cohort. And then we are going to have a lot of questions and answers. There are some experts available in our WhatsApp community. So once you onboard and part of the cohort, you are part of the WhatsApp community as well. And there are other learners where you can collaborate with them on your AI learning journey. Just to recap, the AI fundamental cohorts, there will be 4 sessions. Each session is of 90 minutes. Pre-reading materials would be given to you before the session. The session will happen live 90 minutes with a mentor and mini projects will be given every week and then there will be some capstone projects. So how to register? You can go to the website approachable.dev. On the right hand side, you will see the next cohort which is starting and what we are going to cover. And if you want to reserve your seat, you can just click on this, open joining form, and you fill out the details. So that's it on the website. So I hope to see you on the other side and we start learning AI together. If you have any questions, feel free to email me on my email and I'll get back to you. Thanks so much.